how to create animation in FlipaClip. So hello guys, in this quick world video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, I will simply open FlipaClip app. You guys can download it from Play Store. So once you click on that, once you open FlipaClip, simply click on that plus icon. Now here you guys will see choose canvas size, choose frames per second, to simply select 10 frames. After that, back. Now here name your project. After that, click on create project. Now you guys will see on top pen, rubber option, also there's circle, also pen option, also text. So the question is how we can create animation. So I will simply click on pen. Once you click on pen, you guys can see that here you guys can size your pen. Here you guys can select brushes like hard or other brushes. Also here you can select your pen color. So for example, I select black color. Now I want to create circle animation. So for circle animation, I will simply draw a circle. Now here you guys can see on downside plus icon. So simply click on plus icon. But before that, click on number 1. Now here, click again on pen. Once you click again on pen, you guys will see that circle. So basically their circle was when you add anything in their circle, you can copy that or move it. So for example, I will select it. After that, I will draw a circle from my object. Once you draw, you guys will simply see on top that 2 cues. So simply click here. Once you click here, this circle was copied. Now I will go to frame 2. Now I will click on that 2 cues. Now my circle was pasted. Now the question is how we can create animation. So I will simply move it a little bit right side. Now let's see. Now I will simply click again on plus. Here I will paste it again. Now I will move it more a little bit. Now again click on plus. Now paste it again. Now move it more. Now all 4 frames are created. So simply I will click on play. Once you guys click on play, your animation will be created. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.